In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate ambient music with Suno AI. Ambient music is less about catchy hooks and more about crafting an atmosphere. Think of it as designing a soundscape that sets a mood, supports focus, or helps you unwind. With that mindset, let's set up Suno so it gives you calm, texture-rich results instead of a traditional verse and chorus song. Start by heading to Suno AI, log in, and click Create. From here, choose Sample Mode. This mode gives you the best control for ambient music, helping the generator lean into sustained tones and evolving textures rather than punchy rhythms. It's a simple choice that makes a big difference in how open and spacious the audio feels. Next, remove vocals completely. Ambient pieces usually work best without singing, because words can pull attention away from the atmosphere. In the lyrics box, type instrumental only, no vocals. If you want an even cleaner result, you can leave that box blank. Either approach tells the model to avoid lyrics and focus on pure sound. Also, make sure the instrumental option is selected before you generate, so the system doesn't try to add a voice. Now shape the mood with an ambient style prompt. Instead of asking for a beat or a genre, describe the environment you want to hear. You can keep it simple and direct with prompts like deep space ambient, nature ambient, meditation ambient, cinematic ambient, or sleep ambient. Each of these cues guides the model toward a specific texture. Deep space often means airy drones and vast reverb. Nature suggests gentle rustles and flowing tones. Meditation leans into warm, sustained pads. Cinematic adds slow, evolving layers. And sleep stays ultra soft and unobtrusive. Short, clear wording works well and keeps the output focused. When you're ready, click Create. Suno will generate two ambient variations, each with different textures or intensity levels. Think of them as parallel interpretations of the same concept. Listen closely to both and choose the one that feels slower, softer, and less structured. Those qualities typically translate to a more spacious, truly ambient result. Pay attention to long decays, minimal percussion, and smooth volume changes, elements that help the soundscape breathe without demanding attention. That's the full workflow. Create in sample mode, remove vocals, guide the atmosphere with a concise ambient prompt, then generate and pick the gentlest, most open variation. Follow these steps and you'll have immersive ambient music ready to set the tone for focus, meditation, or restful background listening.